Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites, Blueprism version and Web API enabled, plus credentials and any certificate installed. Next, register the external API by adding a new Web API service. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Configure the base endpoint URL and authentication type, then save. Once done, add resource credentials in System Manager so runtime can authenticate automatically. This keeps keys out of process logic and makes deployments repeatable. Now you map the HTTP methods to actionable Blueprism methods. Create resources for each endpoint and assign verbs like get or post. Explain why. Clear methods simplify exception handling. Then map JSON fields into Blueprism data items and collections so you can process responses programmatically. Test every method with representative payloads. This reveals header or auth issues early. Make sure to log response codes and bodies. When tests pass, you have reliable inputs for your process stages. Finally, integrate the configured Web API into your process flow by calling the business object actions. Wire inputs and outputs. Use try-catch stages to handle non-200 responses and implement retries with backoff for transient failures. Make sure to include timeouts and correlation ID in logs so you can trace transactions. If things go wrong, first check authentication tokens and endpoint accessibility, then inspect headers and any rate limit responses. These steps usually resolve most API integration problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.